Someone asked me how fast that 1000 watts motor can go. I will show you. This road is long enough. Let's check it out. Let's switch it to past 5, the power mode. Okay, let's go. Let's go. That's a dog. 2 dogs. Wow, that's cool. Oh my god, that's cool. Okay, we just now have tested that top speed of that 1000 watt motor. That's about 50 kilometers an hour. I haven't tested how far it can go because the range depends on your battery's capacity. And this battery's capacity is, let me see, 13. Different capacity can go different range. If you have any questions, tell me. I will find it for you.